Take a look. This is the parcel customer return. Is still inside the wrapper. You know, is you can see here is 5 layers. Let's check. Got 5 layers inside now. Okay, let's open it. You see all the, okay, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer, 5 layer, okay. You know, through all the, you see, through all the foam wrapper, all the foam wrapper is missing. Let's check. The customer say complaining the magnetic screw is missing. You see the magnetic screw is there now. You see, it's all there. You see. Check carefully. Check carefully. You see, all the magnetic. Okay, we check the second one. We check the second one. You see, it's there now. You see the screws. You see the screw is there now. It's also there. The customer anyhow claim. Let's check another one. You see. This one also, screws is all here, nothing wrong, okay? You see the screws. Check carefully. Later is don't say I didn't show clearly. You see the screws automatically close, okay? You see got anything missing or not? Okay, this is the last layer. The last layer. Okay, you see, you check. The customer is anyhow. You see, all there now. You see. Take a look, okay? Take a look. You can see all the screws, okay? You see which screw is not there. You see where got screw is missing. Anyhow, the customer is anyhow, claim. Nothing wrong at all. And inside the bubble wrapper and the foam package is all through idea. The whole package damaged. You see, inside the bubble wrapper and all the foam, all those foam package, it's all through already. Okay? It's just only the bare, the bare cabinet inside only. Okay, this kind of condition owners is very bad. It's very bad, and no issue at all. I show you layer by layer. Check carefully.